What song do you want for your edit, Gav?
Mr.Trouble.
Mr.Trouble? BigXthaPlug.
BigXthaPlug.
See these niggas be capping and lying, they really not like that. Nigga play like he won't get his life. Still hang with the killers and niggas in our black. Hell yeah, boy, we like that. Ayy, New Year, so we stacking for scat packs. Just hit a lick and pulled out from the Hellcat. Only smoke pressure, the best you can smell that. Turn to 2, 8, 2 or 3 with a scale at. Ayy, need bows, we gon' wrap it and mail that. Just put a 4 in the poppin' and fell back. Giving them trouble, they like where they help at. These niggas pussy, they twat, they big cat, big racks all on his head and they kidnap. Ayy, no cap, this shit here, big facts, kicking in doors at the kickback, get back like. Run them pockets, let me get that. Ayy, 30 shots with 100, come with me. Wasn't proving no points, so we hit them with 60. Crib Street still screaming RIP Nipsey. I come from the Grove, but the knife niggas with me. Ayy, 600, that shit kinda in me. I jumped off the porch to the block in the trench. I'm rocking designer, this Glock in my brick. It's the bitch from the back, me go buy some inches. 6 days and 6 nights, we was out on the mission. On the 7th, we seen them and caught them and flipped. Only right that we hit everybody that's with them. I've been causing hell ever since I was little. I can make a bitch shit like I'm Dr. Doolittle. Don't reach for this chain, turn your ass to a noodle. Yeah, I'm Mr.Trouble, I thought that you knew. Bitch.
I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart, but never cool. I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart, but never cool. I didn't make it true, playing by the rules.